This is Mr. Elmhorst with the help video for the homework on percent of change. We're going to continue using the proportion table to help us solve this. So the format that we're going to use is the change in price. We're going to find out what the change in price is and then put that as a ratio over the original price. And compare that to percent, which will be over 100. So the original price was $68, and then the store sells them for a $119 increase. So we can do increase as the percent up, the mark up. We have 119 minus 68. So it is a $51 markup. Now we can cross multiply and then divide by 68 to help us solve. That would be a 75% increase in the price. Last year, the Backgammon Club had 30 members. This year, the club has 24 members. We're going to do the ratio of the change over the original and percent over 100. So the original is 30, and then from 30 down to 24, that was a change of 6 people. And that would be a decrease. In order to solve, we could use factors or multiply diagonally. So we're going to use cross product and then divide by 30. And that was a 20% decrease. We do the change over the original and percent over 100. The original was 15 books, and from 15 to 18, that was up by 3. So 18 minus 15 is a difference of 3 books. So that was an increase, 3 books. You can cross multiply and then divide. And that one is going to give us an increase of 20% in reading. And we have the change over the original. Percent goes over 100. So the last year, 762 students voted. So that is the original 762. 762 minus 721. So it goes from 762 down to 721. So that is a decrease of 41. If we cross multiply and then divide by 762, that's going to give us a decrease of 5.4%. change over the original. So he was originally 56 inches tall, and then he went up to 62. So 62 minus 56. So that was an increase of 6 inches. And now we're going to calculate the percent, cross multiply, and then divide by 56. So he grew 10.7%, and that was an increase. The last one, we're going to set up the change over the original, percent over 100. So she originally planted 45 tulips, and then it went up to 65. So that went up by 20. I'm going to cross multiply and divide. I believe that's going to come out to 44.4%, and that was an increase.